develop our engineering skills to create wonderful designs and have lots of fun. This comes with 20 pieces and there are 30 paper cards. We need a can, a screwdriver, and 2 AA batteries. So let's open it and start building our base station. Guys, look, the 4 colors. There's red, yellow, blue, and black. I think this is the base station. Here's the manual. This is the paper. Okay, now I got all the pieces out. Let's start building. First, battery assembly. Done. It's on and check. We have 3 modes. 0 is off, 1 is normal speed, and 2 is high speed. It's working! These are the parts we need for the base assembly. Wow guys, look at this! It's so cool! Ding, 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 ding. So I think the pen is going to be in here and then it will be drawing and we have to place the paper here. These are the things we need to build a robot. Now I'm done with the stand for the robot, for the can. Boing, boing, boing. Now it's ready. Let's put the pen inside and test it out. Wow, look, it's like making a flower. Let's make a robot. We need a can. Now we got the eye. Now we have to connect it to here. And then this. Oh, my mustache! Oh, my mustache! Look at my robot, isn't he cool? But he has a wobbly mustache and wobbly eyes. Let's put him in here. We're done now. Let's finish off the drawing. Wow, it's becoming so cool, guys. I think I want to do a different color now. I'll take off red. There we go. He's doing spiral art right now. It's so cool, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Now let's put another color. Okay, I turn it again. It doesn't show much because I put black and then showing on top of black.
Okay, don't disturb me. I am doing my spiraling art. I'm an artist.
We won't disturb you, okay? And you do your spiral. It's looking cool. Let's use another paper. But guys, I really have to show you this.
Da da da!
So cool, right? Here we go! Wow, it's gonna be better this time, I'm sure. Go faster! It's just like... Look, this is so funny. Guys, what color do you think I should use? I think blue now. How did the attack come up by itself? You're smart. Okay, here we go.
And let me start my painting my spiral art. So don't stop me anyone, okay?
Okay, you did your work. I'm drawing. It's like a drawing, but I'm not drawing. I'm just holding it. I'm changing it now to red. Go! Come on, go. Bye friends! Hope you enjoyed the video. I did. I enjoyed this video a lot because I learned lots about engineering, and also I created this wonderful robot, and he is an artist and he can make art which is called spiral art. I enjoyed this video. Hope you did.